This old, scary farmhouse from season 1 of Fixer Upper could be yours. The old, scary farmhouse was one of the first homes ever featured on the hit show Fixer Upper with Joanna and Chip Gaines, and it just hit the market. It was listed by AG Real Estate and Associates for $475,000. It features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it's located in Crawford, Texas. Devan and Hannah Jonklaas took a chance on the farmhouse and invested $48,000 in renovations. The couple of the house for the last few years have claimed that they've put more than $100,000 into the home. This in turn has boosted the resale value to surpass Chip Gaines' estimation of $305,000 by $170,000 more than that. The sellers have stated that since the success of the HGTV show, home and property prices have risen dramatically, making homeowners uneasy. The homeowners told their agent that they had the intention of this being their forever home, but due to a new job in the family, they need to now relocate elsewhere. The main living room is absolutely stunning, featuring the sliding barn door that Joanna herself designed in the house. There seems to be a recurring theme of hardwood, giving a nod to the old farmhouse interior. The kitchen features the actual original cabinets with a fresh coat of paint and new countertops. Not pictured features an open floor plan with a small dining room table. The bathroom also features plenty of counter space and an old-fashioned curtain shower area. The master bedroom features large windows with beautiful curtains, providing access to perfect natural lighting. The door on the right-hand side of the picture leads to an outdoor balcony. The second of the 3 bathrooms in the house features another gorgeous vanity. It also has a big window in the bathroom for even better bathroom lighting. Even the kids' bedrooms are simply stunning. One of the bedrooms features a gorgeous pale pink color, hardwood floors, and 3 windows. The outdoor balcony off the master bedroom overlooks the entire lot, which is 3.65 acres. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.